Well, welcome back to Chinaron. Today I'm going to be working on a door knob. Basically, our guest bathroom, the door knob basically just self-destructed, and I've never seen anything quite like this. It just kind of came all apart inside, and I had an awful job just kind of getting inside it. So basically what we ended up doing is on this side of it, where the latch closes in and pushes in, we had to take my credit card or driver's license and kind of slide it right in the door like that so we could get the door open. So once we were able to do that, we took everything all apart. I went up to Lowe's and I picked up a new one. This is just an inexpensive lock set, cost me $9.37, so not a lot to it. I mean, you can go more expensive, but I'm not really worried about this one. This one's been in here for about 12, 15 years, so we'll just go ahead, put another cheap replacement in, and we should be all set to go. Let's get started. All right, so let's go ahead and get the package opened up and get all our parts separated. All right, let's go ahead and replace that striker plate. I don't have to, but it is a different color from the previous one. So let's go ahead and replace that first. All right, again, you don't have to replace the striker plate, but it is a different color, so we're gonna go ahead and do that. So take your South Wire Phillips screwdriver, or power drill, whatever you have. I'll pull that out of there. Take your new one. Even comes with new screws. Next, we're going to take the mechanism and the two new screws that come with that. Okay, take the mechanism and you want to make sure that this here is going against the door. So when it hits that striker plate, it locks. All right, so there is a difference in how that goes in. Go ahead, slide that in. Should come with two screws. Okay, now next, take your doorknob. This is obviously the outside, and you have two pins here where you're going to be screwing the other side of the doorknob into. Just take that and slide that in, like that. And on this side, just take it, hold this side here, and take this and just kind of feed it on, and make sure that these holes line up with the two receivers, so to speak, on the other side. And once you get started, take your other screw and get that one started. Don't tighten them down until you got them both started in there. And then once you've got them both started, go ahead and just kind of snug them up ever so slightly, just to make sure that they're both going to seat in there good. Like that. And I kind of move everything around a little bit, and now I can start snugging them in evenly on both sides. And that's all there is to it. So if you're a first-time home buyer, be prepared, because you're going to have all kinds of problems like this. Thanks an awful lot for watching, and stay tuned for the next one.